given to me Friday, effective Friday. I did not receive any notice, I did not receive any complaint, nor did I receive anything nga maghatag ako sa akong na-sign. It was given on that date without even in the agenda, without even the proper the determination of the rules. Ginpasal ng gulpe, ginpahalin ko gulpe on that very hour, 5 o'clock in the afternoon of Friday. Now, what are the reasons? Ano ko nung rason nga ginhambalan ko nila nga, di ka na, loss of confidence ka. Supposedly, it should be loss of trust and confidence, pero nalula ang trust, nabili na lang si confidence. Whereas, so diba, it should be in the whereas clause, no? Ang rason ko nga, ang nalulaan sila confidence. Let me read to you the whereases. Whereas, General Manager Monadia G. Hardin, a signatory to the highly controversial joint venture agreement with Prime Water, had not imposed appropriate sanctions and or collected penalties from PWA or Prime Water despite deficiencies, violations, and non-compliances of their obligations as provided by the JVA to the detriment of Basiwa. Pause ko na ha. Ako kuno, wala nag-impose sanction. Sinihon pa ni, kaya mo ni rason nila, kung aangin loss of confidence ko nila. Wala ko kuno nag-impose sanction. Question. Sino obra mag-impose sanction? Akon bala? O kung iya sang board? Because the board is the policy-making body of Basiwa. Sino dapat mahambal sa akon? DM, impose sanction. Because what is the role of the general manager? The manager implements the decision of the board. Hindi bala? Walang takay ako. I really acknowledge that I am under the pleasure of the board. Baton ko na iya. Kaya pagsulod ko yung general manager, kabalo ko ya, kung hindi gusto sa ako ng board, mahalin ko ya kasi damo-damo ako ng accomplishments. Wala niya mo ng ara niya sa aton. Wala na kayo mahimo. It's in the law. Pero dapat kay uhon, karon, hambalon mo ko, huwag ka na nahatag sanksyon. Dali lang gid. Sino obra mahatag sanksyon? Akon bala na general manager or iya sa policy making body, which is the board? Question. Wala din man kami bala naghatag sanksyon? Question, no. Sa ako nagpungko 2022, pasensya kuya, sa 2021, tag-half sa 2022, iya na iya ni AGM Sullivan. Kung nadumduman nyo, ang acting general manager at that time is Engineer Michael Sullivan. Sa iya nga time, there was never anything nga may evaluation si Prime. Never, no document stating nga naghatag kita sang sanction kay Prime Water. No. But when I stepped in as general manager for the full year of 2023, I have a recommendation to the board for the following violations of Prime Water, and the board penalized Prime Water. Isa, kabalo ko, may interview din sa inyo, nag-interview, nag-forfeit kita 2.6 million from Prime Water. Nakawalo ko, naka-interview di sa akon. Ay kadamo-damo ito question during the time of El Nino. Nag-impose. Was there an imposition of penalty? Yes, through forfeiture of bonds. Which was in the joint venture agreement. Ara, pwede ka. Pwede. Tamba nila ti wala kami kakolekta. Imposition is different from collecting. Why? The case is now with the Insurance Commission, but we impose the penalty. The case is now with the Insurance Commission. Question, ang 2023